Hey everybody, how are you? I am so happy to be back. And once again, thank you so much for all your sweet words about Bella. I want to thank you so much. It really does mean a lot to me. And thank you that I am to 13,000 subscribers. I am so excited, you guys. I really am. So what I want to do today is I just want to really quick do a Hobby Lobby haul. And then I will be back because we are going to be making a vignette for my kitchen, and it's going to be a spring themed vignette. You're going to really like this one. But let's get to the haul right now, okay? Okay, the first thing I got was this Easter, and what it looks like is batting. I'm going to be doing a DIY with this shortly. Then they had their Valentine's 90% off. So I got this, and I normally, if you know me, you know I don't usually buy things after the season. I just don't. I start, if I have money, I'm going to buy what's going towards what I'm going to be doing for the next season. But I did get this. I thought it was really cute. And it looks like, well, it's metal, but then it looks like chalkboard. All you need is love and hot cocoa. So that'll be a cute vignette next year for Valentine's. Then all of their dishware was 40% off, and so I got this really pretty dish towel that I will not use. It'll be for display when I put up my lemon and bee theme. Okay, so that kind of is going to go together because I do have a few DIYs that I'm going to be doing for that bee theme. And this was $5.99, 40% off. I already have two plates, bunny plates that I bought last year, and so I went ahead and got these two. These are going to go really well with what I'm doing as far as the Mackenzie Childs theme in my dining room. And these two bunnies are going to work really well with that. You'll see when I get it done. I am really liking that Mackenzie Child theme. So you are going to see a lot of that sprinkled into my spring, summer, well, I'll probably do some for every season. I really do like it, and it does go well with my house. For me, a lot of times there's certain things that don't go as well, like Pioneer Woman, I love, and if I had her things, she does, but her colors don't go really with my decor. Now, I do have some of her stuff, and I am going to be doing a video on that, and you'll know more about that when I get closer to it, and it'll probably be in the summer. But things like Mackenzie Child does work much better with my decor, if that makes any sense. So anyway, be on the lookout for the Mackenzie Child inspired DIYs. Speaking of bee theme, I got this little plaque, and it was regularly $6.99 but 40% off. Be sweet and bumble instead of humble, bumble. I love that. I couldn't resist. Now, as you know, and if you follow me, I have a lot of bunnies because in my living room and dining room, I do a lot of kind of like shabby chic, English country. I think I kind of lean more towards the English country, although I do love shabby chic. But I do have a lot of bunnies because in a lot of English country, there are bunnies in that type of decor. Now, with the French country, there are also bunnies, so it's a win-win for me because I'm leaning a little bit towards certain things that I'm doing to the French farmhouse type of decor. So, like I said, it's a win-win. Look at this, you guys. Oh, please. Please look at that little face. And this one was $4.99, 40% off. And yes, he did. He had a sister. Yes, he did. Look at this one. These I would easily leave up. Easily. It's not saying Easter to me. It just looks like bunnies. But anyway, so these two, so really, well, you paid a little bit more for two for the price of one, but not much. Okay, so those. Last thing I got is another bunny. The reason I got this is I thought it would go perfect with this Dollar Tree from the little fairy house. What it is, it's little tulips, and it's supposed to have a little ribbon like twine, and it's a house, see here? But look at this, you guys. Does this go perfect with that? Look how she's holding the tulip. And it's a little brown one. But look at this. To put this in a vignette together, how perfect is that? So that is my Hobby Lobby haul. It's not a big one, but it will pack enough of a punch with what I'm doing. You don't have to buy a lot. You can buy just a couple things even. Even if I had bought just that brown bunny with the 2 other brown bunnies to go with this Dollar Tree, you can put that into a beautiful vignette. Anyway, all that to say, that's my haul from Hobby Lobby. So until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.